So let's continue this video. 2016 Jeep SRT Grand Cherokee. There it goes all the way around. Zoom in a little bit. There's the interior, driver's side. It's Alcantara, carbon fiber, Napa leather, heated and vented seats. Steering wheel, more carbon fiber. The Alcantara headliner, I don't know if you're gonna show on this video, but this is really nice. Stitched dash, panoramic sunroof, backside. There's another view of the panoramic sunroof. Cargo is covered. Still carbon fiber in here. Stainless steel racing pedals. Like I said, new tires. See that again. New brakes, brake pads and rotors are new. Here's a Mulroney sheet, Mulroney window sticker, $74,365. That's the original MSRP. Here are the options that were added. Custom preferred package, upgraded stereo system. Base price is $65,495. Yep, it's got all the options. This is the front passenger. Front driver, like I said, we keep it clean. The back end, it's got a bore exhaust. The trunk. We're in the mess, but there's a subwoofer. Still a mats, my wife's work stuff. It's pretty clean. Let's open the engine bay. Probably pretty dusty. There's the engine bay. I need to wipe it down. It's got a little dust in it. .4 Hemi. Mopar cold air. Oil catch can. So SRT, there you go. Hope you like this little walk around video.